Using a Target gift card in store is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, make sure you have a valid Target gift card with a balance sufficient to cover the cost of your purchase. First, find the items you want to purchase and proceed to the checkout lanes. Let the cashier know that you would like to pay with a gift card. They will ask to see the card, so have it ready to present. Next, the cashier will scan the items you are purchasing and calculate the total cost. Inform them that you would like to use your gift card to pay for the purchase. The cashier will then ask you to swipe the gift card or manually enter the card number and expiration date, if the gift card balance is sufficient to cover the entire purchase. The cashier will apply the gift card payment and complete the transaction. If the gift card balance is not enough to cover the purchase, you can use another form of payment to cover the remaining balance. It is also important to note that you can use multiple gift cards to pay for a single purchase. Simply let the cashier know that you would like to use multiple gift cards, and they will apply each card to the purchase until the balance is paid in full. To check the balance of your gift card before making a purchase, you can visit the Target website or call the customer service number on the back of the card. This will ensure that you have a sufficient balance to cover your purchase. When using a Target gift card in store, it is also important to keep in mind that gift cards cannot be redeemed for cash or used to purchase other gift cards. Additionally, gift cards are non-refundable, so make sure to use them wisely. By following these simple steps, you can easily use a Target gift card to pay for your purchases in store. Remember to always keep track of your gift card balance and use your card before the balance expires. This will ensure a smooth and hassle-free shopping experience.